What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to give you 2 different ways you can play Witchya by Justin Bieber. Yes, I'm going to be working overtime for y'all. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. As always, timestamps are going to be down in the pinned comment and description below, so if you really need to, you can refer to that. But first, here's a little preview of what the song is going to sound like. As y'all can see, in version 1, you don't need a capo. In version 2, the capo is going to be on the 3rd fret, and in version 2, every chord will be relative to the capo. In version 1, you need to know 4 chords. Those 4 chords are E minor 7, B minor 7, C major 7, and A minor 7. In version 2, you need to know 4 chords as well. Those 4 chords are C sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, A major 7, I almost forgot it for a second, and F sharp minor 7. You could choose whichever version sounds better to you, but now I'm going to break down how to play each chord. So let's start with version 1. First chord is E minor 7. Really simple chord. We're just putting our finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. It's going to sound like this. Second chord is B minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret and we're putting our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is C major 7. Rather than playing an open C major 7 chord, I'm playing it up here on the 3rd fret. So we're going to bar the 3rd fret and we're putting our fingers on the 4th fret of the G string and the 5th fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. Last chord is A minor 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the B string and the 2nd fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. So the chord progression is going to go E minor 7, B minor 7, C major 7, A minor 7, and back to B minor 7. If we think about this in 4 counts, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. As far as a strumming pattern goes, here's what you can do. So we're going to take this from the E minor 7. I'm really just plucking the strings individually. So we're going to pluck A, D, B, G. So, and then we're going to do that for the B minor 7 chord as well. A, D, B, G. And then for C major 7, we're going to pluck A, D, B, G, D, A, B, G. So again, A, D, B, G, D, A, B, G. So without my voice, it's going to sound like this. Now we're going to do that same plucking pattern for the A minor 7. And we are doing that same plucking pattern again for the B minor 7 to finish it off. Okay? So all together, it's going to sound like this. And if you messed up like I just did, it's okay. Just keep practicing and you'll come around. So now on to version 2. So now our capo is here on the 3rd fret, and we're gonna start off with C sharp minor 7. So we're gonna bar the 4th fret, and our fingers are gonna be on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th fret of the D string, and it's gonna sound like this. Okay, next chord is G sharp minor 7. So we're gonna continue to bar the 4th fret, and we're putting our finger on the 6th fret of the A string, and it's gonna sound like this. Next chord is A major 7. So we're gonna go down here on the 1st fret. We're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and B string, and it's gonna sound like this. And that last chord is F sharp minor 7. So we're gonna bar the 2nd fret, and we're putting our finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and it's gonna sound like this. So for this version, the chord progression is gonna go C sharp minor 7, G sharp minor 7, A major 7, F sharp minor 7, and back to G sharp minor 7. If we think about it in 4 counts, very similarly to the first version, it's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. As far as the plucking pattern, it's gonna be the same as the first version. So we're gonna take this from the C sharp minor 7. We're plucking A, D, B, G. Same thing for the G sharp minor 7. A, D, B, G. And for the A major 7, we're plucking A, D, B, G, D, A, B, G. So same exact plucking pattern will apply to F sharp minor 7, which is the next chord. And we're going to use that same plucking pattern for the G sharp minor 7 to end the chord progression. So now when we put it all together, it's going to sound like this. Whoa, 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 hold up. It's gonna sound like this, my bad. There you go. Again, if you mess up, just keep practicing it. So that's an example of how you can play the song. But like I always say, if you find another way that you want to strum or pluck the guitar, by all means, go ahead. You are the creator, so you have the ability to do so. But that's how you play the song. All right, y'all. As always, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that it helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and place those down in the comment section below, and I'll do my very best to answer them when I can. If you did like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn the song. While you're here, I'd like to invite you to follow my other social media platforms. I have TikTok and Instagram. I'm going to link those down in the description and pin comment below. I have other tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have here on YouTube, so you might want to go ahead and give me a follow on those platforms. Also, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, if you want more tutorials like this. In fact, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. Go ahead and check that one out. I think you'll like that one as well. And I'll see y'all on the next video.